Hey guys, welcome to my humble abode. Today I'm going to show you how to make keto cupcakes from no foods. So first, you're going to go to nofoods.com and you're going to order No Better Cupcakes.
Or use the store locator on nofoods.com and find the closest store near you that carries no foods.
Then, you're gonna get your package, you're gonna open it up, and you're gonna pull out this bad boy. Yes, that is the beauty of No Foods Cupcakes, is that they're already made, so you don't have to do the work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you how I like to eat them. I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious icing to put on top of it. Now these are keto-friendly cupcakes, so you can have your cupcakes and eat them too. You can eat them on a ketogenic diet. They're paleo, they're gluten-free. They are made with real food ingredients. So they use chia seeds, flax seeds, coconut, almonds to make these delicious cupcakes. So first thing I like to do is warm up my cupcake because these are refrigerated. All of their products you keep in the refrigerator to keep them fresh. So they're a little bit cold when you get them out, obviously. So what I like to do is warm mine up on a grill. I already turned my grill on and I am just going to go over here and place my cupcake on the grill. The reason that I'm using a grill is because I do not have a toaster oven. I also put it in an actual oven and you can warm it up that way, but I'm just gonna use the grill because it's quicker and easier. But while my cupcake is warming up on the grill, I am gonna show you how to make a delicious keto-friendly icing using only 2 ingredients. One of them being Fit 365 chocolate protein powder, which I love, another keto-friendly product, and sour cream. Who doesn't love sour cream? Come on. I've just whipped up this delicious icing. I'm just gonna taste it to see if I like it. Wow. Okay, so I could just eat this by itself, but the No Foods cupcake is going to put the icing on the icing. Okay, so my cupcake is all done. I just got it off the grill, and now I'm going to put my icing on top. Okay, voila, that's how you make a No Foods keto cupcake.